Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Jazzy, and today you are watching our daily BTC update and to the Hedgers Academy. Let's wait for some more members to come in, and I hope you guys are watching it clearly without any lagging or any disruption in the video. Smoothly, I want to keep it smooth for you all, basically. Yeah, so let's get back to the charts. Previously we did the counts on like on the leading diagonal, the broadening diagonal, and which is consist of this counts one, uh, two, three, four, and the five is always the overextended into the diagonals. Okay, it happens. You can read on the like on the manuals of Elite Wave teachings on our website if you have already placed this course, and we have teach that on the leading diagonals. The fifth wave is most of the time it's overextended. So basically, and it's consist of the ABC movements, so like three wave ABC. Make it minuscule, and you see ABC and the three wave structure. Basically there's less noises, A, B, and C, and now we see fourth wave to the fifth wave, which is also consist of the ABC, but into the ABC subdivided into one, two, three, four, five. So you can say that this is the A, B, and C. Yeah. So this is the whole fifth wave ending here. I have a indicator also that gives me indication, and you can also use the integrated trading view indicator for Elite Wave that gives you also the confirmation fifth wave is ending here on my leading diagonal. And now after that we saw something abnormal behavior of this liquidity grab towards the lows of 20, like 26,925. That is the POC as well. We have the volume POC there on the EXO charts, and that was a liquidity in the high block liquidation charts as well that we shared in the group already. So now you can see that is consist of ABC, 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 and then you see. So that is your basically, we can give you the ballpark figure, the like this ABC for the wave W, and then you can see ABC to the downside. Like, yeah, three wave structure, and we see the same three wave structure to the wave Y. You see like this. Okay. Uh, Before that, before doing this, because whenever market matures, and that is the emerging counts, and when it get matures, you get more data to analyze your counts for the Elite Wave. Sometimes it's really tricky. You are doing it like I was counting this as one, two, three, but the fourth wave is the shallow, and it's really narrow wave. Fourth wave should not be so like a narrow wave, and it is always consist of the complex structure zigzag movements. So the fourth wave is not present in the chart for me, and that's why I'm more leaning towards the three wave structure of this ABC count towards the towards like WXY, and after this WXY, I'm gonna take it towards here. WXY. There is a sub count. WX. Oh, sorry. Yeah, my bad. Primary. Yeah. So basically, this is whole count of W, X, and Y here, ending here. Then it is our complete from, like from this structure. You can see the corrective. If most of the people are counting it as A, B, and C, to the downside, but I'm counting it as W, uh, X, and like Y for the wave 2. If you can also do this, like if you're counting it as A, B, and C, so this is what I am also doing in terms of W, X, and Y right now. See, that is our W, X, and Y. After that, we are anticipating that the wave is the corrective wave is ending here. That is our anticipation. But the thing is, this whole count here should be equals to this whole count here should be equals to 1 extension to this count. So that is making me like reevaluate my strategy towards here, that we have a daily supply zone here having DNPOC as well, but still it will be a lower high if we go there to tap the DNPOC that has been untapped, and that is our daily level here. So most probably there are high chances that we can tap this liquidity area daily level 1 extension, and then we move down as in terms of three-wave structure, like I'm going to show you once again. That is three-wave structure A, B, C. Okay, A, B, and C. So it is kind of a double correction, you can say, for the wave B. Like if you're counting it as A, B, C, you need to understand that if this is A and if this is B, and you're looking for the C wave to the downside, like 24-25K. So right now I'm not looking for any downside at the moment. It can be a flat or a running flat, you can say a running flat or a flat, what we say, like correction. If you don't know about running flats and stuff like that, you can just simply go to you can search for it, and you can see here that is your regular, irregular, and running flat. So basically, if this could be a scenario as well, this could be a scenario as well, and this could be a scenario as well, the regular ABC or the running flat. These are three kinds of the flat right now. So I'm more leaning towards a flat to because this is really key support right now at 27K. So maybe we can see another downside move towards here, liquidity grab, sell side liquidity that we saw here on this last dump. So there is a lot of angles right now that most of the traders are going to be get confused basically. So first of all, running flat, then not, if not holding here, then it could be a regular flat. If that's not the case, and if you don't stop here, for example, if the price is not respecting here at this price, it could be going towards like expanded flat, you can say. Expanded flat can take us towards 32K as well, 32 probably. That is my deviation target for the equal highs here. So if we saw a expanded flat here like this, irregular or expanded flat, it can take us to the 32K, and then we can see some downside move. But the C wave is, you know, a little bit down to from the wave A, so I'm not gonna take it towards 25 24, but it could be like 25 500 something, and most probably the imbalance here sitting at this 25K. I have the imbalance from the exo chart that I shared with my members previous stream, so in the Discord community. So basically 25 is our 25 500 is our target. If this is irregular, expanded flat, but if this is regular or running, then running target is at 26, you know, the sell side liquidity. And if this is, you know, for example, if this is regular, then we can say something like 25 24 can possibly gonna happen. So we were trying our best to take this from trading from here. That was really a chop zone, but we hold our position from 27K, and most of the members took that trade already. You can see here, like uh, many traders. 27,392, 27,005, 27,059, 27,189, and you can say see we have 27,285 here as well. So there's a lot of good entries we got, you know, for driving our longs from these prices. So we tried our best to catch this B wave. That's what I'm trying to say here. And now what I'm looking here is the double corrective move. Like WXY is always, you know, the double corrections, and it's kind of complex waves. So right now it makes sense that we count it as a WXY, and yeah, that's all. Anything else I need to cover? For example, like WXY, ABC, ABC, ABC. Yeah, three wave structure. You know, you can see all of them are three wave structure. Like this is also three wave structure. Most of the people are saying me that it could be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but the fourth wave is absent. You can see on the lower time frame, if I go to the 5 minutes, the fifth wave or fourth wave, if you are counting this as a fourth wave, then it's not, you know, it's really shallow, and it's really narrow stuff that it's not valid count for the wave 4. So basically this is kind of a three wave structure right now, ABC. So you can count it a WXY or ABC, whatever you like. Similarly, we are having here ABC right now. Now we're gonna see either we are going to run away from here, like dump from here. We're gonna see a dump from here, or we're gonna see a pump towards you know, like 1 extension in daily, and then we can see a dump from there as well. So then we having our, you know, our count will be completed at that time. So it's the matter of fact right now that we are waiting, and patience is the, you know, the name of the game right now. So this is whole scenario at the moment. um, Longs are not suggested, to be honest. This whole structure is based on corrections, corrective moves. I cannot say that this is a good time to long right now, or looking for a good targets to the upside. You can see this whole move was a big sell-off happens here, almost 9%, 9%, 9.58% dump to this move. So that's big, really big enough. Still, this is a lower high. You can see here the invalidation is here, but it will be, you know, like expanded. So I need to remove this invalidation as well if we are looking for the WXY correction of the double corrective moves. um, Yeah, one more thing. Some people are counting it as a uh, the whole structure from here. It's kind of a like W, then like X and then Y. So for me, it is the same. If you count it as a WXY or it count as a WXY, it is the same. But yeah, it is more respected to take it like this way. It is more respected, like from the studies and from the elite wave study. It is more ethical to do this in this way. So that would be kind of a running flat for me. You know, running flat. You can see here, running flat to the upside like this. So how we are going to validate this, because W is consist of WXY, which is valid, and then you can see X wave from this point. So the three wave structure WXY, sorry, ABC, ABC, no, so that is also valid. Three wave structure, this is also valid. So at this point, at some point, like from like here or here, it's gonna end at some point. And once it ends, there will be a big uh like corrective move gonna be happening in terms of wave C. Like I told you already, this is a WXY. I count it as a B and then C. So for the C wave, we're gonna have something, for example, here like this, lower high, in terms of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, then ABC or WXY, then we're gonna B wave, and then we're gonna see some C wave to the downside. So that will be our another A, B, and C. You understand what I'm trying to say here? That is what I'm looking at this point on the daily time frame. Yesterday, seriously, what happens was really shocking to me. I was really shocked to see that behavior of the price action at this point. You see this one, I was really shocked, surprised. We were shorting it. I remember I have put the like the uh, I'm gonna show you. That's really interesting. Like we have already called this short setup to short from this red box, and exactly it moves down. But that was really surprising for me to see that move and like a really nosedive to the downside, and I was really surprised to see that move. It was really big enough for me. So. Mhm. Like you see, that is what we were anticipating at this point. The weekly level of June 2020, weekly level from 6 June 2020. I will show you right now on my charts at the moment. See, mm, weekly. Yeah, you can see here, this weekly. That was remained untapped, basically, if you can see. That is remained untapped. It is bypass and then bypass again, and no one single time it has been back tested. So that was the higher time frame back test that has been happened yesterday. You see this one at this point, and now we are again at the same level. Right now we're testing the weekly from 6th June 2020, and that is really a key level for me, because that is giving a tough competition to the BTC right now. And also there is a daily order block here. You see, that is our daily order block. That is so big that it gives a good trade. This is our confluence basically. uh we got our confluence from this point that is gonna be rejected because the higher the time frame, the greater the efficiency of the order blocks, the higher the time frame. I can see if I turn off the, yeah, exactly to the dollar, you see, it's been respected. And that was really a good, like trade for me. And we see a good reaction here on this candle, this one from the order block. It was really good reaction. Exactly 9% downside that happens on that move. So yeah, that's all. That was our confluences along with the elite wave analysis. We don't rely on one strategy. We have the cocktail of a lot of strategies to follow in our analysis, in our softwares. We have trading light, we see heat maps also to understand what is happening right now. We see order books, the sailors are dominant. Since yesterday I see a lot of sailors are dominant. They want to sell high, they don't want to sell low. So basically it's kind of a that cat corrective rally to the upside. I'm not interested in longs right now. To be honest, I don't care if it goes to 32K even. I'm gonna short it. I'm really interested in shorting right now because I have a bigger picture in my mind that I've been sharing with my members since many days, and I know from where we want to hunt the sniper entry for for a swing long position. So that's why I'm not gonna share with you all right now. That is some top notch stuff. So I'll be sharing with my only members right now that the macro picture I have already shared with them, and they know this what I'm saying right now. Maybe some of them going to comment in the video right now. Okay, so you can see here some selling pressure is coming, as you can see from these spot accounts. So yeah, it's a corrective move, and the short seller is gonna be rewarded in any way. There's a lot of shorts right now that make me more nervous because you can see if I can show you on the Excel. I'm giving you extra mile at the moment on the top notch stuff right now. On the BTC USD futures, you can see here that is almost 1 billion shorts are sitting in these levels. They are shorting right now, and it makes me more scared that the more people are gonna ride the shorts, the more chances of the failure of the shorts become. So I don't want to a lot of shorts to ride this move. I want them to get rid of their shorts because it can perform a short squeeze for them. And if that happens, we can retest 30,800 as well. You can see 30,800 having the liquidity as well in terms of the longs are, like positive delta are sitting over there. They are the longs that got trapped here. Okay, and these longs can get like for example like escape or a relief to get close their position once price comes up, if it comes up. If not, then it's stay underwater. They are still underwater right now, and if it comes up at 30,800 at the daily naked point of control, there's more chances to get more trapped longs for more traders, breakout traders. They try the fear of missing out. They're gonna long here as well, and they're gonna trap more. So possibly market makers gonna trap more delta at this prices, or else if there is a good selling. This is basically futures market. So the market has been leading by a spot at the moment. So if we see continuous selling pressure from the spot markets, and it's not gonna make it. It will be really hard for them to make it. 30,000 has really big selling wall there as well. You don't have any buy wall except 27,300. 27,300 here at the sale side liquidity, and 27,000 ballpark fixed figure. So yeah, there is not much, and 27,500 as well. Yeah. But yeah, selling is dominant at the moment. So we can see some good moves to the downside. And for your information, I'm looking for a short in render coin, and hope you guys can get a good entry. I'm also getting a good entry here, and I'm looking for the downside move to the range level of this whole move. Like it's kind of a range right now, so we can have a like good range formation here. You see, this is the value area low and high. You can show you value area high and low. So you can see value area low is sitting over 34 Fibonacci level. So we can retest this. So in terms of the retest, I'm looking for something at this point to take profit. Uh, this is all coin signal for you all, but be careful. Be very careful for BTC. If BTC do some shady stuff to the upside, then you're gonna be in trouble on and underwater on your shorts. For me, this is the valid count for the ABC, and we can do some sub counts like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, AB, uh, ABC. Yeah, ABC. ABC make more sense. A, B, and C. One, two, three, four, five. Yeah, ABC, and then you can see the wave sequences of 1, 2, 3 impulsive, then 4 and 5. Kind of leading. Yeah, more look like a leading structure, leading diagonal structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B,